Jaod bura ma iala Winnie Odinga okwedo weche moko ni nitiere pogruok e duond bura mar ODM. Winnie okoni bedo kod paro mopogore nyalo bedo e duond burano, to mano oko fulo ni duond burano barore. Winnie otielo ni gisani ogai mar ODM en Dr. Oburu Oginga kendo nyaka miye sir makare.
Chama iko imara. We're together. We've had differences of opinion on certain things. But the most important thing is we stick together, we come together, and they give us some space so that we can make a party that truly covers the width and breadth of this country called Kenya. Yeah. But Odm Ok Pogre, the party leader is my uncle. I love him. He's the only father I have left. There's never a day I'll be in a faction and he's not there. He's the head of my family. I am always with him. That's the faction I belong to, if they're factions. But the party is okay. You know, a party with so many people, over, 8 million registered members, we're going to have disagreements. But that doesn't mean that people should be so excited that ODM is falling apart. Baba taught us. Alijenga hii nyumba. Nobody is leaving. He taught us what to do. The only ones who leave are those who have a problem with what he taught us. So, tuko sawa, everything is going to be good. And I wish all of them a Merry Christmas and a restful Christmas, because we've been running non-stop. Purpose of a political party is to capture power, all power. So I believe ODM must field a candidate everywhere. That is the point of a political party. And that's the point of a democracy. Not everybody will think the same. People are going to compete. So I think ODM needs to be competitive, and we are.